Bro, I was listening to Toy Story, fucking, like...
You got a friend in me.
Dude, he said that like he was in the accident, man. He reacted like he was the one in it. Dude, what?
What the fuck was that?
So, okay.
The same car,
In
bro.
America, I don't know how it is in the UK, it might be the same. You can turn right on red. It might be left on red in the UK. So you're supposed to stop before you do it. You can't just turn right without looking. So he stopped, but he stopped in the middle of their lane. So he just was like in the traffic. Dude, look out. There's a crosswalk right there. You have to slow down, man. Dude,
I'm actually
what are you
scared
doing,
right
man?
now. I feel like I'm actually driving.
Why didn't you just slow down, man? I told you. I warned you. Dude, what did they hit? It's so loud.
Why is it so tall? Is this dude 6 foot?
Is it a semi-truck?
Well, they exploded.
What?
I like how the subtitles knew.
What the fuck are you listening? I know we say that a lot.
Oh,
but
it's a
what
Nissan!
are you listening to?
The subtitle said Chinese-inspired rock music playing.
Dude, the fact that Nissan didn't spin out and die is impressive.
Where are the clouds, bro?
Dude, he almost made it.
Said, are we doing the podcast? I didn't say, what's up, dude? No, I said, what's up? You.
Uh-oh, bro.
Why?
He's gonna hit you.
Yelling like they could hear him.
You fucking idiot!
It's bent in the back, too. You know, he hits shit all the time.
Yeah.
Oh, he's getting out, bro. Fuck, I wanted to see him. Shit. Why are they in 2 different frame rates? Did anyone else see that?
I don't know, man.
No.
Dude. You already hit the car. This guy's drunk.
He's making sure that he hits it.
He has to be drunk.
That's insane, bro.
Yeah, hit the pole. Dude, he's going for an. Oh, hit it. You got it. Oh, damn, dude, you missed.
Then I pat her gently on the shoulder.
Ow, dude.
What? That just spawned in. Where the fuck did that come
It's
from?
on the ground, I guess.
Dude, it's just vibrating.
Okay, this guy running straight into you is probably one of the funniest outcomes. I can't lie.
That really is just fucking stupid, man.
There was no reason he should have did that. Dude, why does this look like a movie scene?
Oh, Jesus! All that fucking debris just went past the dude.
That's like lives
to
might
stay
be
home
taken.
Or
Wow.
like, I feel like you get to stay home today, right?
Yeah, I mean, I think so.
Okay.
Honestly, yeah, man. Like, fuck it.
He's like, wait, this is my exit.
God damn it! God damn it!
They just back up a little bit. Dude, just love tap, chill.
Fuck off, bro. what is
Taking
that?
the piss. Can't even see out of your back windshield with the little stickers.
I know, right?
He's looking today. With that outfit and stuff, I mean, that's why he has to put
Prius, no.
smudge.
Dude, they have a baby on board sticker. They don't even care about that kid.
I mean, neither do I. I don't give a fuck about that kid.
Yeah, but it's their car. They should probably care about the kid inside.
I don't know, man.
I'm kind of on the car side that's gonna aggressively pass you and then spin out because you are going kind of slow as shit.
Yeah.
Oh, they didn't spin
Where'd
out,
they
though.
come from? What the fuck?
I'm not a fan of the brake checking. That's cringe.
What the fuck, bro?
Okay, but low key, like you could have gone faster because you just did it. Okay, like you could have gone faster. You just didn't want to. Okay, man.
What a fucking weirdo, bro.
Both these people are sucked.
That's because they know everyone's in sight, and you're just asking to lose at that point. You might be thinking, okay, so let's just not play in sight, and the answer
Dude.
is once back into sight when your entire team is dead.
Jesus Christ.
Wait, dude, he has to U-turn. You have to wait. I mean, save?
Oh.
Okay, don't drive back on the road yet, man.
Nah, you can. It's okay.
Why are there two highways going the same direction? Why are there people
Sometimes it's
walking
just
in the
what you
street,
gotta
man?
do.
I think that's a long ass, like,
On-ramp?
like coming in, like, what is it, like an entrance, I
On
guess?
ramp?
I don't fucking know, like.
Oh, we've seen this clip, or at least I have.
Go, 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 go. Come on.
Oh yeah, we have seen this one.
Come
I
on.
actually
the fuck
recognize
is-
this, yeah.
Yeah, this is
What
the
are they
Texas clip where
doing?
they're just hiding from the rain, dude. They're just scared of the rain.
Yeah, I'd be scared of the rain too if I was just a poor innocent car, you know?
So are they just gonna wait until
Yes.
it ends? Like,
They're
what?
actually gonna wait till the storm ends, which could be hours.
Why?
Because
Like,
they're dumb.
who
They're
cares?
simple
Believe it or not.
creatures.
Go. Get back.
People will raid Walmarts when there's like when there's like a 2-day storm coming up.
Yeah, okay, also, like high key, this guy's an alcoholic. He clearly does not have the brain to understand he shouldn't be here.
Yeah.
How do I know he's an alcoholic? Look at the fucking gut in this motherfucker.
Yeah.
You don't get a
You
gut
don't,
like
you don't
that.
get that by eating pizza, bro.
Yeah, you don't get
that
it from
drinking
pizza, you get it from
alcohol.
beer. You get it from fucking Bud Light, brother, okay?
It's a nice neighborhood.
It's a nice neighborhood.
Me when I'm about to rob somebody. Hey man, nice neighborhood.
Sure, it's a lot of nice people live here with
Yeah, a lot
nice
of nice
stuff.
cars and things outside. I wonder what's inside. Dude, what do you have in the back that's censored?
Yeah. What needs to be symmetrically censored like that? I can only think of one thing.
Okay, if you ever do this with a trailer, you speed up, dude. You don't slow down. Okay, it's basic physics.
Once again, leading 1-0. They have
You think motherfuckers with trailers know physics,
I
bro?
wish they did. It's crazy you can just drive with a trailer without getting a special license, by the way.
Sprite.
Dude, that guy was just texting and driving. Okay, that was not his job. His job was to sit in the seat and the bus move.
That guy running away, bro. Like, why are you so scared,
He's
man?
still
Like, you're such a
going.
It's not that
pussy.
big a deal, bro. Like, get over it, man.
Dude, they deserved it. They fucking deserved it.
Holy fuck.
Good on you for hitting the red light runner. Okay, they deserved it.
Get him.
I don't know if your day's
No,
gonna be
you
good,
are
man.
the worst person in the world. Fuck whoever recorded this, dude. Actually. No, I fucking... Dude, I had the bitch. Okay, the guy shouldn't have brake checked you. He's a dick for doing that shit, but you are, like, actually the worst fucking person in the world.
Poop just happens sometimes, bro. That's the way I see it.
No, dude. I'm gonna show you. Okay, you're gonna agree with me. Okay.
Okay, I do
Hey,
agree with you.
look.
let's
So
go.
you're driving like this, right? And you see a car in your fucking rear view mirror going like 120 miles an hour. What do? Cut them off? Or do you just stay there and let them pass you in 2 seconds? Like, it's your fault, bro. Like, this is why people get fucking road rage, because your dumbass can't look in your mirror.
Something bad is about to happen.
Nah, it's just an infinity, bro. He's just pulling up.
Alright.
That was the last thing I expected
He
to
just hits the
happen.
car. That's so fucking funny.
It just was the angle, bro. It looked like something terrible was gonna happen.
Wow. Well, I know, man. I know. You know, goddamn.
Dude, what the fuck, man? He just didn't have to be like that. Yeah, let's all block the highway. Let's block the entire
Let's all drive
highway.
slowly and look. Let's make sure he knows we're looking.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ, God's
Dude,
drunkest
what the
driver. Where'd that come from?
This fucking
This
uncharted
is
fucking...
insane. Everything about this is
Mad Max
insane.
bullshit,
This
bro.
is
What the
insane.
hell?
Holy shit, dude, he pressed X just in time. That was
Yeah.
crazy.
Dude, I can't believe these stupid fucking boxes can't track. Like,
What if one showed up with your full name and address on it?
Yeah, I know, and time of death as well.
dude, what the?
Okay. Well, the fence is kind of blocking it. Oh, thanks.
It's not a
Wait,
fucking
that
car,
was
bro.
crazy.
All that destruction from whatever that thing is.
It's a tuk-tuk.
Some rickshaw. No.
God damn it, dude. Yeah, what is wrong with you? Yeah, drive away, Waldo.
Fucking Waldo.
Did they not have like a striped shirt, or am I tweaking?
I think it was like a floral shirt. I don't know if it
never
was
mind. I thought I
striped.
saw stripes.
California.
You whipping, bro. You whipping. Why is that building invisible? What the fuck?
If it's invisible, why can I, Or no, wait. No, that's not the joke goes. Ah, dang it.
Oh my god.
Whoa!
This dude is listening to, like, piping music on the road. Okay.
He's thinking about it, man. Oh my god, that guy's going a little bit too fast.
He's pulling it off though. He's doing it.
Wait. Nope, he took the shirt. Yep. Wow. He crashed. Wow, that's crazy.
But that's the
I mean,
other
but,
guy's
like-
fault.
Okay, also, like, why is there just, like, a sharp right-hand turn on what looks to be, like, a highway? Oh, this is just a road. Never mind. They made this road way
Yeah,
too
it's just a
big.
big ass road.
This is Florida.
Nope.
What's that?
Why do you have a Beyblade spinning on your
Dude,
fucking dash?
Yeah.
how unlucky do you have to be to fucking hit the one car that's just in the emergency area?
Wee.
Where are struggling, but having a licensed therapist with you by video, phone, or chat. can
This
make a
Porsche is gonna
difference.
hit him.
And
Oh no, it's gonna be the BMW?
Sign up now and get 10% off.
Dude,
at
that fucking thing is way too
BetterHelp.com/pressplay.
fat to be driving like that. Get an actual car if you want to drive like that, for real.
BetterHelp.com/pressplay.
Sorry, I was too busy focusing on the ad there.
He just ran into some guy. It's just like people get like really fast SUVs. This is such a weird fucking ad, by the way. What the fuck was that? What was that like weird hypnotic
I
thing
don't
at the
know.
end?
It was like
They're
scaring me a little bit.
It's like they're doing the what's that gif? It's like a gif of a dog and it's going like ooh. Like,
Oh, the like.
I thought it was just a
it's all the
transition.
time, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, shit!
Jesus Christ! As he like burped just.
Fuck me!
That was crazy, bro. Oh shit! Oh, piss!
Dude, this doesn't look like a real place. Where the fuck are we? Is this New Zealand?
Yeah, I'm like. This one I'm
Can't
just
tell
scared,
if
bro.
like I can't tell if it's a rich or like a poor
It
neighborhood.
was a rich
like-
neighborhood, I think in a poorer country.
Yeah.
What?
Dude, you're not gonna make that turn anymore. Give up. You're not making that turn anymore, man.
What the fuck are you doing?
You're
You can
still
still make it,
trying.
though.
You're still just go on the grass then. Stop being a bitch.
How's the fucking guy in the back seat trying to do shit, bro? What are you? You're in the back seat. Like, shut the fuck up.
It's also crazy because I think they can just turn right there.
It's so, like, saturated. Good God.
What was that?
What the fuck?
The truck just almost hit them.
Oh, really, dude? Grow up.
Thank you for watching. Click Editors now. Bye.
We're gonna get you. We're gonna get you. We're gonna hunt you down and get you.
We're gonna chase you down in a car.